Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Leptospirosis. Leptospirosis, which was recently in use because of the breakthrough. Okay, and if a threat subsides, Kerala faces a new health challenge: deadly leptospirosis outbreak. Okay, recently Kerala faced in the Wayanad faced severe landslide in the past months. Okay, and 121 confirmed deaths over almost 1,170 people in the treatment from the rat fever. So they basically call it as a rat fever. Okay, this is the cycle of the leptorosis, and basically rodent was a carrier of the particular bacterium, and which was pee in the water body, which was transmitted to the cows, dogs, and the pigs, and they can also transmit the bacterium to the water bodies. From the water body, bacterium can infect the humans also. So this is the cycle of leptospirosis. Then leptospirosis. Okay, leptospirosis is known as a rat fever, a rare bacterial infection that affect the people and the animals. Okay, it can affect both the people and the animals, which means cattle and other things also. Okay, this is caused by the Leptospira interrogans, which means it was the name of the bacterium which causes the disease, also called as Leptospira. It's more common in the tropical areas, warmer climate with lots of rainfall. So this particular climate which accepted to the Kerala district. Okay, Kerala district, which was applicable for the tropical areas, warmer climate with lots of rainfall. Okay, which applicable to the Kerala district. That's why only leptospirosis was outbreak in the Kerala district particularly. Okay, so let's talk about the transmission. The carriers of the disease can be either wild or domestic animals. Wild or domestic animals means it can be transmitted through the wild animals like wild horses and wild pigs and other things. Okay, and the domesticated animals like cattle and dogs and the other pets, rodents, cattle, pigs and dogs. These are the domesticated animals. Infected animals spread the bacteria through their urine. This is the most important area. Okay, urine. Okay, through the urine they are passing the that particular bacterium named Leptospira interrogans. Okay, they are transmitting the or releasing the bacteria to the water bodies. Okay, urine. They may continue to urinate the bacteria into the environment for several months or year. So they are not only actually releasing the bacteria or being the water body for the only one time. They are almost urinate the bacteria into the environment for the several months or years. Okay, the bacteria can survive in the contaminated water for soil for weeks to months. So it's not easily destroyed or decomposed in the environment. They can withstand for the weeks to months in the contaminated, particularly water bodies. Okay, it's not spread from the person to persons. Okay, we can get affected from the particularly water bodies which have contaminated by the particular bacterium. Okay, their symptoms was it generally takes 2 to 30 days to see the symptoms. Okay, for other diseases, symptoms may be visible in the human body for the immediately, maybe immediate or the after 1 phase, but it takes almost 2 to 30 days to get sick by the leptospirosis after having contact with the bacteria. Okay, occur in 2 phases. The first phase. Okay, first phase in the means in the first page of symptoms, the people may feel fever, chills, and headache, and muscle ache, and vomiting, and diarrhea. So these are the symptoms for the first phase of leptospirosis affected persons, and this person may be feel better for a while but become ill again. Okay, so maybe a person get ill sick for the 2 to 3 days, and they may feel better in the past 1 week, and they can again get ill again. So that's what they are saying. And some people may suffer from the more severe second phase. So the death can be occurred by the second phase of symptoms only. Okay, with the kidney or liver failure and the inflammation of the membrane around the brain or the spinal cord. Okay, inflammation means a kind of swelling. Okay, a swelling may be around the brain and the spinal cord, which only the cause the severe deaths. Okay, so before that we have to identify the disease. We can cure that, and then it can be treated with the antibiotics including penicillin and doxycycline. Okay, these are the two injections we can use for the leptospirosis diagnosis. Okay, before reaching the second test we have to identify and we can treat them. So I have given the picture about the leptospirosis symptoms in animals. Okay, if you are petting an animal like dogs and other cattle, you may be a farmer and you can breed them. Okay, some kind of pets and animals which I have given. First one was dogs. Dog may feel fever, depression, not wanting to do anything, loss of appetite, joint muscle, vomiting, diarrhea, cough, changes in how much they pee. Okay, it's related to the pee. Okay, which if a dog peeing in a regular mode, like per day 5 to 6 times in a day, which means which may be affected by the leptospirosis. And the cats rarely show the symptoms. Okay, and the horses also fever and the kidney failure, eye infections and the pregnancy loss and eye infections also. Okay, and the cattle, these are the most important things because in a rural area each and every family or the farmer family may own the cattle. Okay, they may feel show the symptoms like abortion, stillbirth, birth of weak offspring. Okay, weak offspring means weak small cattle, and the infertility, milk that is slightly red from the blood. So if you are a cattle breeder, you have to see the milk of the particular cow or a goat, like it was mixed with the blood. Okay, so you should note that. And the pigs and feral swine, fever, abortion, stillbirth, same as birth of weak stick piglet, jaundice, acute kidney failure, loss of appetite, weight loss. Okay, it may be symptoms of leptospirosis. And the marine animals, it was the rare thing. So increased drinking and peeing, reluctant flippers, acute renal failure, and the vomiting. So these are the symptoms of leptospirosis in the animals. Okay, so these are the pet animals. Majorly, they are the pet animals. We have to note that symptoms, which if you are identified, you have to get to the veterinarian doctor.